Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change sound and notification settings for individual websites on Google Chrome browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, navigate to any website where you'd like to customize the notification and sound preferences. For this example, we'll use whatsapp.com, but this process works for any website you visit regularly, whether it's social media platforms, news sites, or web applications. After the website loads, direct your attention to the top of your screen where the address bar is located. You'll notice a small icon that looks like a circle with a line through it, or a setting symbol. This icon represents the site settings and permissions for the current website. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to this specific site. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Site Settings. This option takes you to a dedicated page where you can manage all permissions and preferences for this particular website. It's an incredibly useful feature that gives you granular control over what each site can and cannot do on your browser. Once the site settings page opens in a new tab, you'll see a comprehensive list of permissions and settings specific to the website you're on. Scroll through this list until you find the notifications option. You'll see a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on this drop-down to reveal three choices: Ask, Allow, or Block. The Ask option means Chrome will prompt you each time the site wants to send a notification. Allow gives the site permission to send notifications freely, while Block prevents all notifications from this site. Select the option that best suits your preferences. Next, continue scrolling down the same page until you locate the Sounds option. Just like with notifications, you'll see a drop-down menu beside it. Click on this drop-down to view your sound options, which include Automatic, Allow, or Mute. The automatic setting lets Chrome decide based on the site's behavior. Allow permits the site to play sounds freely, and Mute silences all audio from this particular website. Choose the setting that works best for your browsing experience and the specific site you're configuring. And that's it. You've successfully customized the sound and notification settings for a specific website on Google Chrome. These changes only affect the site you're currently configuring, so you can set different preferences for each website you visit. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.